Today we wanted to show you an awesome waterfall we found just about an hour from Vik or about 2 hours from Reykjavik, but if you're already visiting Seljalandfoss, it's only about 20 minutes from there. I cannot pronounce the name of this waterfall, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the screen.
This is the one where you go through a little crack up a stream and then you climb up a chain at the end. We're about to go into the Nauthusagil waterfall or something. So it's pretty cool. Looks like that. So that's where we walk into.
This waterfall does come up in Google Maps if you need directions, but I do need to tell you that the road changes from a paved road to a dirt road and it's a little bit rough. We made it just fine, but if you do decide to make this journey, just make sure you're taking your time and know that you're in for a bit of a bumpy ride for just a couple of miles. It is a fairly easy hike as far as inclines go. The most challenging part is that you're on wet rocks and you're trekking through a shallow river. It does eventually lead to a small waterfall that you have to climb up, so make sure that you're wearing waterproof shoes and maybe even waterproof clothes if you want to stay completely dry and get really close to the waterfall at the end. I don't know the exact distance of this hike. I would guess it's somewhere between 1 mile and 1.5 miles round trip. But for the short distance, it's actually pretty rewarding and beautiful throughout. There is a chain rope attached to the canyon wall to help you get up the waterfall. This part might be a little bit challenging for some, but I think most people could do it without a problem.
is how pretty it is in here. Really pretty.
Because this waterfall is just a little bit off the beaten path, we actually had this little canyon all to ourselves. It was almost surreal and beautiful throughout the entire walk. This was probably one of our favorite waterfalls we visited in Iceland. So if you're willing to brave the dirt road, it is absolutely beautiful and I would highly recommend coming here. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch for our upcoming videos about our camper van adventure in Iceland.